Hi guys, this is Shirley with Unboxing a Brand and welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a company called Grove Collaborative. Grove Collaborative is a sustainable home care products company, and besides household items, they also sell things in the personal care category and the health category, also babies and kids and pets and so on. And a lot of the brands that they carry you've most likely seen in either Target or Walmart or wherever you purchase your home care products from. I recently saw an ad from them on Facebook promoting this free welcome kit that's worth $45. And from the pictures, it looked like it was full-size products. And I just was curious to see if they actually send you something like this for free. Now, you had to spend over $20 in order to get this welcome kit, which makes sense because why would somebody just send you full-size products for free, right? So I went ahead and placed an order, and we're going to be doing an unboxing together. At the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how you can potentially save an additional $10 off of your order, and all you have to do is keep on watching. Okay, so let's see what we got in this box. It's pretty heavy because the welcome set, like I said, is worth $45 and they are full-size products. That's why this box is really heavy. It comes in just a corrugated box with a piece of tape that says Grove Collaborative on here. I don't know if you can see that. All right, so let's take a look at what I got. Grove Collaborative is a certified B Corporation, which means that they are very transparent about their business practices, and they also try to do as much good as they can for the environment as well as for the people, and that's something that I really cherish. So this is a brand that I think I can definitely support if I do like their products. Okay, so let's see. When you open the box, I mean, this is not a subscription box or anything, it's just an order. And it looks like it comes with a packing slip that tells you what you got. And the filler in this box, when they shipped it, is just brown paper, brown craft paper. Ways you can reuse this is if you're moving, you can save a stash, or you can burn it in the fireplace, or you can also flatten it out and reuse it for gift packaging. There are some really cool ideas on what you can do with craft packaging online, especially on Pinterest, so go ahead and take a look at that. I might just save this and use it for when I have to ship something. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got in the welcome kit first. So the first item is this organization bin. Oh, this is really cute. You can put this underneath your sink and put your cleaning products in here and carry the ones that you need with you, for instance, to the bathroom. That's really cool. And I believe the welcome set was a Mrs. Meyer's cleaning set, and that came with a hand soap, as well as a dish soap, as well as a multi-surface everyday cleaner. And I believe the fifth item in the welcome kit is this walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. It says, I'm a tough scrubber with a soft touch. You can use it for cleaning your dishes as well as countertops and appliances. I use these a lot, so these are definitely good to have. This is basically their welcome kit. You just put everything in here and store it underneath your sink. This is really, really cute. And like I said, this is worth $45 and you get it for free. Like, free when you spend over $20. That's amazing. Wow. So with this welcome kit, you are also automatically enrolled in their VIP program for 60 days. And if you do decide to keep the VIP program, I believe the cost is $20 a year. What the VIP program is that you get unlimited free shipping with your order, and they give you free products 4 times a year. I believe it's every season. And when I placed my order, a window popped up asking me if I wanted another free set of stuff. And I was like, yeah. So I think the free set that I got was this 16-ounce spray bottle. And this is a glass bottle. And what came with it was this glass cleaner concentrate. And they also give you this free glass spray bottle. So what you do is you put this inside inside the bottle, add water and mix it, and it turns into a glass cleaner. That's really cool because when you're finished using it, all you have to do is just order one of these and then repeat, so that you are reducing the amount of plastic that you are consuming. That's really cool. And I got this for free as well. This is crazy. So many free products. Like I mentioned earlier, you have to spend over $20 in order to claim your free gift. And here are some of the things that I purchased. Oh, when I first placed my order online, it automatically selected items in my cart because it was trying to fill it up to $20, and I think they actually fill it up to $30. And so make sure you select the products that you want. Whatever you don't want, you just delete it, but you have to make sure that the total equals $20 or more. I did keep some of the products that they suggested, like this Method heavy duty degreaser. This is something that we can use on our stove. It gets really greasy, and I'm really curious to try this. This is by Method. And then the next item that I kept in a cart that they had also suggested was this Method Daily Shower Cleaner. And I think the idea of this is that you just spray your shower every day after you finish using it to get rid of that shower smell, and just also to keep it clean. And reading some of the reviews, a lot of people are really loving this product. And Method, I don't know if you know the brand, they're naturally derived products, and I think they're non-toxic and plant-based formula. Yeah, so it says, we think clean smells like mint leaves, not chemicals. So I'm really curious to try this. It says cleans without having to rinse. That's cool. It probably just keeps your shower a little bit cleaner for a little bit longer, so I'm curious to try that. The next item that I also left in the basket that was suggested by them is this 7th generation cleaning wipes. I always forget that I have these things, and whenever I wipe down my counter, I just always use a paper towel and a spray, but having these on hand is really convenient. I just have to remember that I have these. The next product that I got is a wildflower scented bar soap. This packaging is really pretty. I don't even know if you can see that. But it's made with organic coconut and olive oils. Oh, it smells really good. Okay. The next item that I got is a Method laundry detergent that's ginger mango scented. I thought that this would be a lot bigger, but I guess I can try it. I wonder how many loads. Oh, it says 10 loads, so I'm gonna have to try that. Okay, and then the last thing that I got is this Hello Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. I'm curious to try it because it's supposed to whiten your teeth naturally, and it removes plaque, obviously, and freshens breath and tastes awesome. It never tested on animals, so I'm really curious to try that. What else is in the box? So I think that's all the products that I got. You also get this envelope that probably has your receipt in it. Every little thing in your home should deserve its place in your home. Grove Collaborative. Oh, that's funny because this is like a welcome note. Hi, I'm Jamie, and I'm excited to introduce myself as your dedicated Grove guide. I actually received 2 emails from her already. I don't know if this is an actual person. I think it is because she emailed me with her actual email, and I don't know if everybody gets different Grove guides. So let me know if you also subscribe or use Grove Collaborative. I say subscribe because they also have, I think, a program where you can automatically select things and have them delivered to you once every month or 2 months. You can decide how frequently it is. But I mean, with all the stuff that I got, I only spent a little over $20. I feel kind of bad because I got all these things for free. But I'm really going to try their products out and see how I like it. If I do like it, I'm definitely going to be ordering more. I do have a 60-day VIP membership with them, so I'm going to take advantage of that. And some people are saying, well, you can just go to Target and buy this stuff. But the thing is, everybody knows when you go to Target, you come out with $100 worth of other things that you didn't think you needed. So I'm trying to avoid that. So that's why I think buying online is so much better, and it gets delivered to your door. You don't have to go find parking. You don't have to stand in line. You don't have to carry all these heavy bottles home with you. So I'm really excited to try these products. I'm going to leave a link below. If you also want to try Grove Collaborative for yourself, I believe they are still offering this free 5-piece welcome kit. And I think I think the kit changes, so you might be getting a different brand or different products, but it's definitely a full-sized 5-piece welcome kit. So I'll link that below if you want to give it a try. So I did mention earlier in the video that there's a possibility of you receiving an additional $10 off, and I'm going to tell you what that is now. It's through a company called Ebates. I don't know if you've heard about Ebates. I don't know if you use Ebates. If you don't, so this is what Ebates is. So Ebates is a cashback company, and all you have to do is sign in with your email address. You don't buy products through their website. I believe you can download a widget for your internet browser. Either, I don't know if it's for both Chrome and Safari, but I think I'd have it for Chrome. And what happens is if you go onto a website, and let's say Grove Collaborative, for that instance, a prompt will pop up on the upper right corner of your window that says get 2% cash back. And all you have to do is click OK, and it automatically just saves your information from your order, and you can get up to 2% back on your Grove Collaborative order. I actually forgot to activate that for this order, and I'm really pissed at myself for that. But if you download this widget, it'll remind you. And Ebates partners with over 2,500 different companies. And I think Amazon is on there, Macy's is on there. I don't know if Target is, I believe they are. Walmart's on there. So take a look. I'll leave a referral link below. If you use my link, you actually get $10 off. And if you don't want to use it towards Grove Collaborative and you find something else, that's fine too. As long as you spend over I think it was $20 or $25 over your first order, you get $10 off of your order. So how that works is it accumulates all of your cashback amount, and at the end of every season, they send you a check. So this is actually a check that I got in February for $12.54. It's not a lot, but it's $12.54 more than what I would have had if I hadn't used Ebates. So I actually have a Post-it note on the side of my computer that says use Ebates. So I keep forgetting about this cool thing. I'm going to leave links below for both Grove Collaborative as well as Ebates. If this is your first time trying out both of these companies, use my links. You can get a free welcome kit like I did, as well as an additional $10 off. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I have a ton of unboxings coming up, so it would really mean a lot to me if you subscribed. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. If there are any products that you really like from Grove Collaborative that you think I should try, also let me know so I can check them out myself. All right, well, this is it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!